you're behind a fence.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
Immediately you leave the Bothy, the road takes you past all the forestry works that are going on. They were here at 6:30 in the morning, chopping away, doing whatever. It's a staff car park. There's the mist over the devastated area where they've cut down all the trees. Good morning, day 7. Very good day yesterday. We had fantastic weather. I'm glad we did, going up to the sculptures. And there was a fair variety of landscapes, so that was good. Although a lot of water on the hills. But finished the day in another Bothy, which we shared with 3 German students. That was really good evening had by all. And now we're on our way to our next stop. But it's likely to be raining all day. It's just the way it goes. So, let's see where the day takes us. Another quite nice post. Very different. But in the distance, we've got workmen producing a road, I think, because there's going to be a wind farm up there somewhere. It's all business. Quite a long road walk this morning. But the landscape is very bare. So, 4-way control. Please wait here until the green light shows. The vehicles coming down from up there, coming from our right. They've got cameras everywhere. I think we're going to go this way. Right by that farmhouse is the way up over the hills. And this one says, all that is required of you is a willingness to trundle. And off we go. Looking back down the valley at the road that takes you to the works. A vehicle coming from another bit of works. And Caroline coming up. And it's raining. These painted marker posts are really good. I know it's a local chap, but they're very frequent. You see loads of them going over the side. The great thing about these posts, because they're painted, is you can see where the animals are rubbed up against them. Working our way up to the top of our side, looking down the valley. It's a dull day, but we come all the way down the valley and up the side, looking at the hills in the mist, and we've got to go over that saddle. They're watching as Caroline comes through. Sort of dropping into the next valley, going through this forested area. Not much going on up here. You're very much alone. For a while you think you're just following sheep tracks. There isn't much of a track. And then you see a post and a gate and you feel good again. But I'm not sure how many people come up here. Woo! We had a runner appear out of the mist, so we know which way to go. I think we're far enough away from the cows, but this is open moorland and they are big cows. But thankfully they're not on the path. A few people said we had to cross a river. Thankfully there was a bridge. Thankfully you're behind a fence. Oh, it works again. There's a story. Right, we're coming in to the village, but it's a lot of mining. But yeah, God, that was a rough over the hill. Yuck. A huge slag heap. Said to be the Matterhorn of slag heaps. More sheep as we come in. You're not bothered at all, are you? Oh yes you are. No need for the council to cut the grass. We'll do it for you. Coming through the remnants of all the lead mining. Obviously the big slag heap and everything, but you can tell in the landscape there's been loads of mining here. And oh, I see where we're going. Yeah, well now the mobile's working, that's cool. Something's got to give. I'll give him a way out. Old mine shafts from a long time ago. There we go. Wanlockhead. Whew. This is the final road with the water washing down it. Seriously? It's been a crap day and you come out now. And here we are at our accommodation.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.